In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Netflix. Let's start by signing into your Netflix account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to netflix.com. Enter your login credentials. This step is vital as it ensures you're accessing all the features available to manage your account settings effectively. Once you've signed in, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select the option labeled Account. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Netflix experience. The account page is your control hub, so getting familiar with it can help you make the most of your Netflix subscription. Now scroll down the account page. You'll notice several sections with different settings. Look for the section that says Settings. Within this section, you'll find an option called Edit Settings. Click on it. By doing this, you're stepping closer to customizing your Netflix notifications, which can enhance your viewing experience by reducing interruptions. Next up, you will see a menu option named Notification Settings. Click on Notification Settings to proceed. This area is where you can manage how Netflix communicates with you about new shows, account updates, and other information. Adjusting these settings allows you to tailor the kind of updates you receive according to your preferences. At this point, you should see an option for push notifications. Click on Push Notifications. This is crucial because push notifications are often the most immediate and potentially disruptive form of notification. By managing these, you ensure that only the most important alerts break through. You will now see a list of notification categories. These categories include alerts for new releases, recommendations, and more. To turn off notifications, simply uncheck the boxes next to each category you do not wish to receive. As you go through this list, consider what types of notifications you find valuable. This step is important because it empowers you to choose what information is most relevant to you without overwhelming your inbox. After turning off the unwanted notification categories, double-check your selections. This ensures that your preferences are accurately reflected. Once you are satisfied with your choices, there's no need to click a save button, as changes are automatically saved in Netflix. You will know you've done it right when you see that the checkboxes are unchecked. With that ready, you have successfully customized your Netflix notification settings. You can now enjoy a more personalized viewing experience with fewer unwanted interruptions. Remember that you can always return to these settings and adjust them as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you manage your Netflix notifications more effectively. Feel free to explore other features and settings to further enhance your streaming experience. Happy watching!